You're mine, and we belong together. Yes,
Araw, mas excited kami kaysa sa'yo.
Ba't umiyak?
Oo, kasi alam ko.
for nothing. You're
Boy, boy. Ano, boy? Uy, congratulations, pre.
yours belong to me. Yes,
Tulad
they
na paggabay mo sa akin, lagi nandiyan si God. And syempre, hindi lang naman ako dito makakasama. Doon tayo sa realidad. And palagi ako nandito para sa'yo.
You're my baby, and you belong to me. I swear by
Renita mo ba yun?
everything I
Tabi, tabi.
own.
Parang ka naman lasing din. Ang hirap kasi, pero congratulations, pre. I hope that you deserve better and yung journey niyo ni Jazz, nakita ko yun. And thank you for, thank you for supporting me and sa lahat. Connect tayo natin. Yan.
Yes,
recorded
we
mo yun?
belong
yan. Akala ko pati.
together.
Kala ko, ano lang eh.
Totoo yan.
For eternity.
Yes, naman, to my partners, my lover, my ever supportive fiancé who will be soon my wife. I choose you and I will continue choosing you every single day for the rest of my life. Without hesitation and without doubt, my heart will always find its way back to the past.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found
Hindi
is
ako
too
papatawad siya ng
good
deepeng
to
tears.
be true. Standing beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
You are my best friend, my home, my safe place, and the greatest adventure I could ever ask. With you, I have found a love that brings me peace, strength, and happiness in ways I never imagined possible. You inspired me to become a better person, to dream bigger, and face life with courage because I know I will never face
This dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers,
PJ,
we'll still have
from
each
the
other.
moment I met you, I could see how you're fun. And the way you love them is a reflection of the incredible person you are. Loyal, compassionate, unselfless. There may be moments when life feels uncertain and the road ahead seems unclear, but I will hold on to the promise that love rooted in God will endure all times. That even when I know you will say, you saw me at my worst, when I was tired, when I was uncertain, and barely holding myself together. You could have back. You could have chosen the easier path of just watching me for the fun. But you did. You stayed. You held me. At tuwing tingnan kita, alam kong kapit ka. Pero mas pinili mo wala ka na mas magagawa ng Diyos para sa akin.
Stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need, and all that I want to do is hold you forever, forever and ever.
that I was still worth fighting for. You didn't try to fix me. You simply chose to stand beside me and to carry me when I couldn't stand on my own. And because of that, I promise you this. I will love you not only in your brightest moments, but also in your darkest days. I will hold you the same way you held me, with gentleness, with faith, and with the love that doesn't walk away when things get hard. Pipiliin kita, may kotse ka man o wala.
Basta wag kang pupunta ng Sogo, pre, ha? Wag kang gumaya sa akin.
Since andito na yung pinagdadasal ko, ang wish ko lang is mag-grow pa yung relasyon nyo, mas mag-build pa siya, and mag-grow kayo sa mga bagay na gusto nyo at makabuo kayo ng pamilya.
Congrats, oy.
Kasi parang lasing na tayo dito.
Pero alam mo ba, parang... alam mo ba, pre?
I promise to stand beside you through every hardship, to celebrate your victories as if they were mine too, and to hold your hand through life's most difficult moments. I promise to listen to you with patience, to support your dreams, and to encourage you whenever you feel uncertain. I will be your partner in every sense of the word. Eh, masyado pang mahaba itong tapusin ko. So, example is, I have a song na lagi kong parang favorite ko to na ito yung kakantay ko sa magiging drive. So, if alam niyo yung kanta na I'll Be. So, sabi doon sa chorus, I'll be your prime shoulder. I'll be better when I'm old. So, and I will be the greatest friend. Tulad niya na lagi ko sinasabi, never kita iiwan at pababayaan. Kasi mahal ng wife ko. At kahit minsan, madalas pala lagi kang pinulit. Iintindihin kita. At pagagalitan.
Ngunit ang tadhana ayaw nang makasama. Lalapit ngunit bibitaw muli. Pero kahit may harang,
Babasahin tayo sa daan tuwing umuulan. At hindi man araw-araw masarap yung ulam. Hindi ako aalis dahil sabi mo nakikita tayo ni Lord. Through every season I will stay. I will choose you over and over again. And as we build our own family, I promise to honor the love and to nurture a home filled with the same warmth and care I've always shown to those who closest to you. I vow to stand by your side through all of life's joys and challenges and to love you with all my heart. I thank God for giving such a wonderful gift. May the Lord always be the center of our relationship. Amen.